Hey, good morning guys. So it is currently 8:09 a.m. and Blue just has to be bothering me with the camera. Yeah, now that it's on you, you don't like it, huh? Yeah, no. But right now, oh my gosh, he's messing with everything. Right now I'm just editing. I really need to edit. I need to upload today. And I just wanted to do a day in the life vlog style for Vlogoween. I haven't filmed any vlogs at all this month. And for Vlogoween, I really kind of wanted to do a warm-up for Vlogmas. I am doing Vlogmas this year despite the pandemic, despite everything that's going on. I feel like I don't look very good. But it is currently 8:10 a.m. It is, let me see, what day is it? It is Wednesday, October 21st. And I promise to have at least one more vlog up for you guys before Halloween. Maybe even a Halloween vlog, because Xavier is coming. Like, for those of you who don't know, Xavier is my younger brother. He and I are approximately 4 years apart, born on the same day, and I want to say we're like 12 minutes apart as well. So he's coming on the 28th for our dad's birthday, and I'm really excited about that. Blue, he's just like chilling out, eating this, like, attached to the camera. Are you good, dude? Are you good? It was so cute. My roommate, no, I'm gonna just pick it up with my hand. My roommate actually sent me a video over Facebook this morning, and it was dogs communicating to their owners using buttons, and I thought it was so cute. I'll insert a clip right now, but I just really thought it was cute, and I told her, like, imagine if Blue did this. And I did like a cry laughing face emoji. But I'm gonna be editing. I have to go to work at 9:30. I have to leave here, so in about an hour and a half to get to work at 10. So wish me luck with everything that I have to do. Okay, so wow. Okay, so right now we're in the filming studio space that I made for myself out here in the garage area. So I'm just out here getting my SD card from the camera. This is a Canon Rebel T6 that I always film on, and yeah, got this little squirrel on top. Okay, so I am back in the house. Am I like losing my voice? What the heck is happening, Blue? What do you think? You think I'm losing my voice? Say something. Oh, he got little boogers in his nose. Poor thing. Are you cold? Is that what it is? Are you cold, sweetie? I have like all of this Halloween stuff up here on my dresser. Like, I got this, like, I'm gonna put that in a haul for like my Halloween haul. I already have part 1 up. I'm gonna be uploading part 2 with that spider. You guys already have seen this. You guys have already seen this. The Audrey 2 kind of plant from what is it? Little Shop of Horrors. Oh my gosh, Blue. What? You just want to have all the attention, don't you? What? Oh my gosh. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Yeah? Use your words. Alright. Hi. Okay, so far I have just framed everything properly, like right here in the frame. I've just framed everything. This is I'm currently editing the mermaid makeup look. And towards the end I actually start putting pearls on my face. But so far I have everything color corrected and in the proper frame that I want it. But so far that's it, and my screen is super freaking dirty. I'm going to be getting dressed for the day, and I will catch up with you guys shortly after for the makeup part. So I have officially changed into a Captain America shirt. Lou's over there chomping on a Fresh Kisses like dog treat that's meant to freshen his breath and clean his teeth, I guess. And it kind of looks like a toothbrush almost. It's kind of like Greenies, but I didn't know if I wanted to do Greenies yet. But it is currently 8:47. Still Wednesday, October 21st, and I actually cooked myself some toast. I made myself some toast And I have my water right here. I thought this was so cute. I got it off of, what website is it? It's 64 Hydro, and I got a GSP, and it's super cute, and it just tells you exactly how much water you need to be drinking, like 8 a.m. all the way until you need to refill it, and then you start over at 2, and then 2 of these equals 64 ounces. So I thought that was super cute, and I was really happy with that. But while I was making the toast, I actually made a grocery shopping list for today. So these are all the things I'm gonna make, and I wanna make stuffed mushrooms. I wanna make stuffed mushrooms and jalapeno poppers for snacks, because I only cook here like actual meals twice a week because I'm never here for dinner, and dinner is always like leftovers for lunch for the next following days. So I just figured I would do like jalapeno poppers and stuffed mushrooms for snacks, you know what I mean, when I get hungry. And then I'm gonna be doing like meal prep. Wow, he just like jumped from one end of the couch to the other. Anyway, and I'm gonna be doing meal prep in the morning for breakfast with the breakfast sausage, the hash browns, the eggs, and yeah. And I'm also gonna be doing a cute little Halloween jack-o'-lantern thing with the bell peppers. So I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna be doing stuffed jalapeno, not stuffed jalapeno, stuffed bell pepper, Halloween bell peppers kind of thing. So yeah, grocery list, gonna go grocery shopping, doing all that today. And he's just lurking around. I don't know, he's like a little shark. I don't know where he is. Blue, hi. Oh, all right. I'll catch up with you guys after I'm done with my breakfast. So after looking for what seemed like forever for my makeup bag, I finally found it in the living room. So that's just great. I'm just going to be doing a basic makeup look, everyday kind of thing with my eyeliner, eyelashes, like probably not even eyelashes, just mascara. And yeah, I will see you guys when I'm about to run out the house. I would do a time lapse of everything, but speak of the devil, my mother is calling. But yeah, I'm just in a time crunch, so I will see you guys later. Hi, baby. Hi.
What are you peeling? Huh? Oh, it was probably Mr. Gardner who talks loud.
Psst. Blue. Hey guys, so good morning. It is November 20th, I want to say. It's either the 20th or the 19th. I need to go look. But it is, what time is it even? It is 7:45 a.m. We have a tent up. We have our stockings hung with glee. And yeah, we have like Halloween mixed with Christmas around here right now. I'm speaking in a lower kind of register just because my roommate is in her room. She's sleeping and her son is sleeping. So I just really need to be, oh, that's perfect lighting. Okay, so I just, yeah, perfect lighting. So I just really need to be more quiet. But yeah, we have this like Halloween tree right here mixed with this Charlie Brown tree. And then we have this vintage tree that I got a while back. Oh yeah, and Blue just got a new doggy dish. I got this on Target.com. I'll have it in the link below. And then I got this little reindeer. This one, oh, shit. Then I got this little reindeer. Oh my gosh. Then I got this little reindeer from JCPenney, I want to say 2 years ago. I really need to clean up the house, like clearly, as you could tell. And then I have these reindeer right here from Big Lots on each side of the TV. And I got one of them, I want to say like 2 years ago, and then I got the other one last year. And they're so cute. They're like frosted pine cone shaped reindeer. with the little like acorn and cranberry on it. And it's really cute. I like them. But so far, oh yeah, and then there's these. There's these, so we also got these at Lowe's. They're little Grinch signs. And we just strung up some lights. Oh yeah, and then I had to bust out my Linus from Charlie Brown. He's so cute. I've had him for years. I love him. And then I got this last year at Hobby Lobby. And it was really cute. This little gingerbread house. But so far, that's all we have in regards to Christmas decorations. We still need to go and get an official, like, large Christmas tree. So I think that's what we're going to be going to do today. And because my roommate doesn't want to be in the vlogs, I'm not going to include her. Like, and I'm probably going to just do a voiceover while we're out, just so I don't freak her out by, like, talking in public like I do with Xavier and Ricardo, and even with my mom and dad. Just because she's, like, she's so not used to this. She's... Maybe I'm blurry. Wow, nice. She's so not used to this. She's not used to me vlogging or anything. So, yeah. And I'm sorry about my energy levels. It is early in the morning. Plus, I'm trying to whisper because of my roommate. So, I will see you guys, like, later. There he is. Hi. Oh, look at your little nub thumping. Your little nubby tail, you're so cute. You're adorable. I need to make my bed. Clearly need to clean my room. There's still like Halloween stuff over there. There's clearly a Halloween spider right here. Hello, sweetie. Halloween spider right here I need to put up. And I just need to like save a bunch of clothes. Right, Blue? Oh, you're such a cutie. Yeah. But yeah, I'm probably going to be doing a time lapse of me just cleaning, and I will catch up with you guys momentarily. And I'm moving the camera up and down really weird because Blue is like chewing on the hand cord where you like secure your arm through. So he's looking at it really weird. Ew. Ew, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, honey. Oh. What are you... No. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, sweetie. Okay. Well, since Blue refuses to move, hey there, stubborn butt, yeah, I decided to lay out my clothes for today. Hello there, what are you doing? Oh, big yawns from Blue, big yawns, yeah. Oh. Yeah, sweetie, get down, alright, I'm just gonna have to do it around you. So I have these jeans that I bought from the Buckle like forever ago, and I never get to wear them except for on my days off. So because I haven't gotten a call back from the hospital approving me to go back, today's just another day off, which is great. And I'm off from the chiropractor's office because they're just gonna be closed today and the rest of next week, which is gonna be so nice. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm actually gonna get days off. Like, I literally get half a day off and that's it. So, well, half a day and then another half a day. So this has been kind of nice, you know. But I finally get to wear these pants, and I never wear them because they don't look professional because there's holes in them. And I work at a chiropractor's office trying to start my own business, so I can finally just be a 23-year-old now. And I have these Pumas that I'm going to be pairing with this Toronto Raptors like 3/4 inch shirt that Blue is kind of laying on. And yeah, that is my outfit for the day. I've always wanted to do like those outfit changes, so let's go. What do you think, Blue? I think this is cute. This looks cute. Well, clearly Blue wants to show off all of his toys. Huh, Blue? Tell them what your toys are. We got this Jack-o'-lantern, tell them, from Target. And the Snorlax from eBay. And your little baby burrito from Target too. Yeah. He has all his little friends. But I'm actually going to be transferring and organizing what's in this purse, which is my Halloween purse. No, that dollar isn't for you. What's in this purse, my Halloween purse, into this purse, which is the purse that I was using before I started using this one. So